Children, it is a continuation of the chapter Statistics. Now let us continue the exercise 1 of that chapter. This is first exercise of the chapter. The sixth question. The table below shows the oily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Daily expenditure in rupees is given in terms of class interval and number of households is given. 100 to 150 rupees expenditure is by 4 families. 150 to 200 rupees expenditure is by the 5 families. 200 to 250 expenditure is by the 12 families. 250 to 300 expenditure is by the 2 families. And 300 to 350 rupees expenditure is by the 2 families. Now, the question is, here what you have to find out? We have to find the mean daily expenditure. Mean daily expenditure. Now, you tabulate it in the vertical column. In the first column, you take the daily expenditure which is given in terms of class interval, and second one is number of household. Now the first one you write, that is 100 to 150. How many families? 4 families and 4 households. And next 150 to 200 rupees, that is expenditure is in rupees. 150 to 200 rupees expenditure is by 5 household, and 200 to 250, 200 rupees to 250 rupees by the 12 households, and 250 to 300, 250 to 300 rupees expenditure by the 2 families, and 300 to 350, 300 to 350 rupees expenditure by the 2 households. Now let us take the third column, that is class mark. Class mark, which is the midpoint of the class. You know the method of finding the class mark, that is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Here the class mark of 100 to 150 is 150 plus 100, 150 plus 100 divided by 2, that equals 250 by 2, you will get 125. The first class mark is 125. 125. Now here class width or size of the class is 50. You can add 50 to 25 to get the next class mark, that is the class mark of 150 to 200, or otherwise by using the similar method, that is 200 plus 150 by 2, 350 by 2, you will get 175, same as adding 50. Again add 50 to the 175, you will get the class mark of the next class, that is 200 to 250, because here the size of the class is 50. If you add 50 to 175, you will get 225, or otherwise 250 plus 200 divided by 2, you will get 450 by 2, then you will get 225 only, that is 225. Again by adding 50 to 225, you will get the class mark of the next class, 250 to 300. Also you can do 300 plus 250 by 2, that equals 550 by 2. So you will get, that is 275. 275 you are going to get here. Similarly, you know that 225 plus 50 is 275. Next, again you can add 275 and 50, you will get 325, or verify here 350 plus 300 by 2, that is 650 by 2, then you will get 625, that is 625, or by adding 50 to 275 also you will get 325. Because here the size of the class is 50, so you can add 50 to the previous class mark to get the class mark of the next class interval. Now this is Fi and this is Xi. Next you get Fi Xi, the product of these two, these two, these two, and these two, and these two. Now you find one by one. 125 4s. Know that 125 4s is 500. That is 25 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10, 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. So 125 4s are 500. 500. Then 175 5s are 175 5s are 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35 plus 2, 37, and 5 1s are 5 plus 3, 8. 875 you will get 875. Next, 225 into 12. 225 into 12. 12 5s are 60, and 12 2s are 24 plus 6, 30, and 12 2s are 24 plus 3, 27. You will get 2700. 2700. Next, 275 into 2, that is 550. You find here 275 into 2, 5 2s are 10, 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15, 2 2s are 4, 1 plus 5. You will get 550. 275 2s are 550. Then 325 2s are 650. 325 2s are 650. So you take 5 2s are 10, 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 3 2s are 6. 325 2s are 650. Now here this is Fi. Find the summation of Fi, that is, here it is also given that totally the expenditure of 25 households is locality is taken. 25 households in locality is taken. Therefore, sigma Fi must be equals to 25. Verify. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. And 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 1, 2. So, the sum of the frequency is 25, as 25 households were under the survey. Next, you find summation of Fi Xi. Summation of Fi Xi. Then you write summation of Fi Xi. Find the sum here, 5. Then you take here 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 1 carry, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, 27 plus 5, 32, and 3 plus 2 is 5. You got 5275 is the sum. Then you write the formula for the x bar in the direct method. X bar equals summation of Fi Xi, that divided by summation of Fi, that equals 5275 divided by 25. 5275 divided by 25. Then you divide 5275 by 25. So you take 52, 55 2s are 25 2s are 50, 2 7, 25 1s are 25, 7 5s are 2, 2 5, and 25 1s are 25. So how much you are going to get? Here you will get 211 rupees. So what is the mean daily expenditure? That is rupees 211. Therefore, mean daily expenditure is 211 rupees. That is the mean you got it by the direct method. Then the seventh question, to find out the concentration of SO2, that is sulfur dioxide, in the air. Sulfur dioxide in the air, that is in parts per million. Short form is ppm. The data was collected for localities in a certain city and is presented below. Here this column gives the concentration of SO2 and next the percentage of the frequency of the concentration. So you take 0 to 0.04, the frequency is 4, that is in 4 cities, and 0.04 to 0.08 ppm is in 9 cities, and 0.08 to 0.12 is in 9 cities, and 0.02 to 0.16 in 2 cities, and 0.16 to 0.20 in 4 cities, 0.20 to 0.24 in 2 cities. Here what you have to find out? Find the mean concentration of SO2 in air. Mean concentration of SO2 in air. Now you take the given data, that is take the concentration of SO2 in the first column and the frequency, that is the number of cities, taking the second column. Now the first one is 0.00 to 0.04. 0.00 to 0.04. Frequency is 4. Frequency is 4. Next 0.04 to 0.08. 0.04 to 0.08. The frequency is 9. Frequency is 9. Next 0.08 to 0.12. 0.08 to 0.12, that is also in 9 cities. The frequency is 9. Next 0.122 to 0.122 to 0.16. 0.122 to 0.16. 0.122 to 0.16, that is frequency is 2. Next 0.14 to 0.20. 0.16 to 0.20, that is in 4. Frequency is 4. Next 0.20 to 0.24, the frequency is 2. 0.20 to 0.24, the frequency is 2. Here you got the first column and second column. Now you find the third column to get the mean, that is xi, which is class mark. Again you know the method of finding the class mark. So here what is the size of the class? Size of the class is 0.04. 0.04 is the size of the class. So you take the class mark of the first class, that is 0.04 plus 0.0, that is nothing but 0.04 by 2, you will get 0.02. So the first class mark is 0.02. Again here by adding 0.04 to 0.02, next you will get the class mark of the second class, or otherwise use the method 0.04, 0.08, 0.08 plus 0.04, that divided by 2. You know that 8 plus 4 is 12. You will get 0.12 by 2, that equals 0.6. That is nothing but 0.02 plus 0.04. Again you can add 0.04 to 0.06, then you will get 0.1. Verify here. 0.12 plus 0.08. So 12 plus 8 is 22. 20, that is 12 plus 8 is 20. That divided by 2, you will get 0.10. 0.10, that is nothing but 0.1. 0.1. Same you will get 0.06 plus 0.04 is 0.10. 0.1. Next again you can add plus 0.4 to it to get the next one. So here same you will get 0.14 for the class mark of the next class, 0.12 to 0.16, or otherwise you take 0.16 plus 0.12 divided by 2, you will get 0.16 plus 0.12 is 0.28 by 2, that will get 0.14. 0.14. 0.14. Next you will get next one is 0.18, that is plus 0.04, you can add to this 0.14, or otherwise you take 0.20 plus 0.16, so you will get 0.36 by 2, that equals 0.18. You write 0.18. Next you can add 0.04 to get 0.22, or that is 0.24 plus 0.20 divided by 2, that is 0.44 by 2, you will get 0.22. that is nothing but adding 0.4 to 0.18. So you got it. Now find Fi xi. Fi xi, you know that 4 2s are 8. 4 into 0.02, that is 4 2s are 8. 0. So 4 into 0.02 is 0.08. Next 9 into 0.06, you know that 9 6 are 54. And 1 2 point here, so you can write point here, that is 0.54. And 9 into 0.10, you know that 10 9s are 90, so then become 90, 0.9, 0.90. Next 14 2s are 28, you know 28, that is 0.28. Next 18 4s are 72, that is 0.72. Next 22 2s are 44, that is 0.44. Next add all. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 8 20, 22 plus 4 26, 26, 6 you write here, 2 carrying. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 15 plus 9, 24, 24 plus 5, 29. So you will get 2.96, that is sigma Fi xi, you got 2.96. Then sigma Fi, that is summation of Fi is, you know that here, is it given total number of cities? No, it is not given. Then find the sum of all Fi, that is 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 9 22, 22 plus 2 24, 24 plus 4 28, 28 plus 2 30. That is, here you got 30. Then write the formula for x bar. X bar equals summation of Fi xi divided by summation of Fi. So x bar equals summation of 2.96 divided by 30. Then you write, that is 296 divided by 30 you do, that is 2.96. And you know that here 2 is not divisible by 30, smaller than, then you, here 29 is not also possible, you take 0. Then 3 9s are 27, so you will get 26. Again you can have that 3 9s are 27, 3 8s are 24, then you will get 20. Then again 200 means 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, becomes more. So you will get x bar equals 0.0986. So you can write it, x bar equals 0.099. 9 you can get here. That is the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. Mean concentration of SO2 in air is how much? Equals 0.099 ppm, particle per million. 0.099 ppm. Now the question number 8. A class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was absent. Here the absentee records of 40 students are there. We have to find the mean number of days a student was absent. First you take here the number of days are taken in terms of class interval, that is 0 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 14 days, 14 to 20 days, 20 to 28 days, 28 to 38, 38 to 40. Here 0 to 6 11 students, 6 to 10 10 students, 10 to 14 7 students, 14 to 20 4 students, 20 to 28 days 4 students, 28 to 38 days 3 students, 38 to 40 days only 1 students. Now You take the columns, that is number of days and number of students, that is number of students is Fi, and also find the Xi. Next you take number of days are 0 to 6, 0 to 6, 11, and 6 to 10, 6 to 10, that is 10 students. 10 to 14, 10 to 14, 7 students. 10 to 14, 7 students. 14 to 20, 4 students. 14 to 20, 4 students. And 20 to 28, 4 students. 20 to 28, 4 students. And 28 to 38, 3 students. 28 to 38, 3 students. Then 38 to 40, that is 3 students here. 38 to 40, only 1 student. Only 1 student. Next you find the class mark, that is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. You know that 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. Then 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 by 2 is 8. Then 14 plus 10 is 24. 24 by 2 is 12. Then 20 plus 14 is 34. 34 by 2 is 17. The next 28 plus 20 is 48. 48 by 2 is 24. Then 38 plus 28 is, that is 66. 66. 66 by 2 is 33. Next 40 plus 38, that is 78. 78 by 2 is, that is 39. So you are going to get 13. 38 plus 40 is 78. 78 by 2 is 39. In this way you got the class marks. So here, if it is difficult to add and divide, you do it separately. Here I have done orally. You can do it by actual calculation with your hand, and also you can do it orally because the numbers are small here. Then you take the Fi Xi. Fi Xi. Eleven into 3. Fi into Xi. 11 into 3 is 33. Then 10 into 8. 10 8s are 80. Then 7 into 12. 12 7s are 84. And 4 into 17. 17 4s are 68. Then 4 into 24. 24 4s are 96. Then 33 3s are 33 3s are 99. And 39 1s are 39 1s are 39. Right? 39 1s are 39. Then you find the summation of Fi, that is total. It is given that there are 40 students. 40 students absentees are recorded. So here once again you verify 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 1, 20. 0. And 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Exactly you got 40. Then you find this summation of Fi xi. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 6, 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 9, 30. 30 plus 9, 39. 39. 3 carry. And 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. 38. 38 plus 8, 46. 46 plus 3, 49. So you got 449. 441. That is summation of Fi xi is 499. Then you write the formula for x bar. X bar equals summation of Fi xi by summation of Fi. Then you will get x bar equals 499 by 40. 499 by 40. Divide 499 by 40. 40 ones are 40. 9 is remaining. 99. 40 twos are 80. 9 is remaining. 1. 1 9 is 0. You know that 44s are 160. 9 plus 6 is 3. 3 0. 47. If you put 0 here, 47s are. That is 280. And 20 you will get. That is 45s are 200. So you will get x bar equals 12.475, or you can write 12.47. Therefore, the mean number of days student was absentees. Student was absentees 12.47, or you can write 12.475. 12.475. 47 is enough. Now the ninth question. The following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate, that is in percentage. Here the percentage of literacy of 35 cities was given in the form of table. Here we have to find the mean literacy rate. Here 45 to 55 percentage of literacy is in 3 cities, and 55 to 65 percentage of literacy is in 10 cities, and 65 to 75 percentage of literacy in 11 cities, and 75 to 85 percentage of literacy in 8 cities, and 85 to 95 percentage of literacy in 3 cities. Then here take the literacy rate column and number of cities column. First one is 45 to 55. 45 to 55 in 3 cities. 55 to 65 in 10 cities. 65 to 75 in 11 cities. 75 to 85 in 8 cities, and 85 to 95 in 3 cities. Here 2 columns are filled up. Now we have to find the third column, that is class mark. which is the midpoint of the class, and here each class is having the same size. Class size is same. 45 to 55 is 10, 55 to 65 10, 65 to 75 10, 75 to 85 10, 85 to 95 10. So after getting the class mark of the first class, you can add 10 to get the class mark of the next classes, or otherwise for each class use the formula upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. First one, 55 plus 45 by 2. 55 plus 45 is, you know that is 100 by 2, you will get 50. 50. Next you can add 10 to 50, you will get 60, or otherwise verify. 65 plus 55 by 2, that is 120 by 2, you will get 60. Then you can add 10 to get next class mark, that is 75 plus 65 by 2, that you will get 140. 75 plus 65 is 140 by 2, you will get 70. Next you will get 80, verify here, that is 85 plus 75 by 2, that is 85 plus 5 is 90 plus 70, that is 160 by 2, 80. So you got 80 here. Next you will get 90, verify here. 95 plus 85 by 2, that is 180 by 2, that is 90. Then find the product of this and this. Product of these two, product of these two, product of these two, product of these two, product of these two. So you write 5 3s are 15. So you write this is xi, this is fi, the product of fi and xi. 55, 53s, 5 3s are 15, 53s are 150. Then 60 into 10 or 10 into 60, 60 into 10 is 600. 70 into 11, you know that 11 7s are 77. 11 into 70 is 770. Then 80 into 8, 8 8s are 64. So it is 640. Then 93s are 9 3s are 27. Then it is 270. 93s are 270. Then you find summation of fi and summation of fi xi. And summation of fi is, here 35 it is given. So sum of all fi must becomes 35 only. Verify here. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 2 and 3. So it becomes 35. That is sum of all fi is 35, and also the literacy rate of 35 cities are taken here. So it must be 35 only. Next you find sigma fi xi. Find sum of the fi xi, it is 0. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. 23. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 6, 17 plus 6, 23. 23 plus 1, 24. You got 2430. Then write the formula for x bar. Then x bar equals summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi, that equals x bar equals 2430 divided by sigma summation of fi is 35. So you divide 2430 by 35. Then you will get 335 7 35 6 you take, 5 6 are 30, and 6 3s are 18 plus 3 21. Then here 33 is remaining, right? And 3 9s are 27. So you write 5 9s are 45 and 9 3s are 27 plus 4 31. 1 5 is remaining, 0. Then you take 35 4s are, you take 4s are 35 4s are 5 4s are 20, 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 140 you will get 11, and that is 10 here. 100 you will 35 2s are 70, 100 minus the 70 is 30, put 0, and you can have 35 9s are 9 5s are 45, 3 4s are 4 3 9 3s are 27 plus 4 31, it becomes more. Then you can have 8s are 8 5s are 40 and 8 3s are 24 plus 4 28. So you can have approximately it is 69.428, that equals 69.43 you can have. Therefore here the mean literacy rate is, therefore mean literacy rate is, mean literacy rate is 69.43 percentage. 69.43 percentage. That exercise completed.